In this video, you'll learn how to fix text overlap issues in Perplexity queries. By following these steps, you will ensure that your text displays correctly without any overlaps, enhancing your experience with the platform. Begin by opening Perplexity AI in your preferred web browser. Make sure that you are on the main interface where you can see the query and results panels. This is crucial as you need to visually confirm if there is any text overlap before proceeding to the next steps. Once you are on the interface, check the query and results panel closely. If you notice that the text is overlapping, this indicates that adjustments are necessary. It is important to address this issue to ensure clarity in your queries and results. Next, attempt to resize the panel by dragging the edges or corners. Alternatively, you can also make your browser window wider. This adjustment often resolves the issue by providing more space for the text to display correctly. If resizing the panel does not resolve the overlap, consider zooming out the page. You can do this by pressing Control and the minus key on Windows or Command and the minus key on a Mac. Zooming out will reduce the size of the text and may prevent overlapping. After adjusting the zoom, if the problem persists, refresh the page by pressing Control and F5 simultaneously. This action clears any temporary glitches that might be causing the text overlap and reloads the content. If you still see overlapping text after refreshing, it may be helpful to disable any browser extensions that could interfere with the display, particularly ad blockers. To do this, navigate to your browser's extensions settings and disable them temporarily. As a last resort, consider switching to a different web browser. Try using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Each browser may render the Perplexity interface slightly differently, and this change could resolve the text overlap issue. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.